Hi friends! Today we're talking about squares. I have two books to read to you that have to do with squares and things that are square-shaped. So let's start off with this book. It starts off with a white square. Just one. Next page. This page has two white squares. Next page. Next page has, can you count them with me? 1, 2, 3. 3 squares. Let's see how many the next page has. Ooh, this page has 1, 2, 3, 4 squares that make the shape of a square. It kind of looks like a window pane, doesn't it? I wonder what's outside that window. Are there kids playing? Are there birds singing? What do you see when you look out your window? Is the sun shining? Is it raining? When I look outside my window, right now I see the grass and some trees and some cars parked. Next page. Okay, this page has some different size squares. Can you find the biggest square? Where is the biggest square? Can you point? Or can you look at the biggest square? So there's 1, 2, 3 squares on this page. I'm going to move this over a little bit. Which square is the biggest? 1, 2, 3. If you said the middle square, you were right. That is the biggest square. Let's put this on the far right. Now let's look at the 3 squares. Which one is the smallest? Can you see the smallest square? Point to the one that you think is the tiniest square. I see it right in the middle. That's the smallest square. It's smaller than the one on the left and the one on the right. See, the one on the left can cover it up. The one on the left is much bigger. So let's put that one in the middle. And this one is definitely smaller than the biggest one. So now we have small, medium, large, or big. Smallest, medium, large. Next page. Next page has 4 more squares, but they're different colors. Can you find the red square? Point, touch the screen at the red square, the one that's the same color as strawberries, cherries, raspberries, stop sign, ladybug. Point to that one. If you said lower left, you are right. Here's the red one. I like that color. Although in this picture, I know, in this video, it looks a little bit pink, doesn't it? That's okay. Pink and red are very close to each other. So there's pink. Okay, one more quiz. Which one is green? Which square is the color of the leaves on the trees? Or a frog? Most frogs, anyway. Think, think, think. Can you look at it? I see it right there, top left. There's a green square. And and there's blue, and there's orange, and there's red, and there's green. In the next book, we're going to talk about houses, because a lot of houses have a lot of shapes in them, especially squares. So, this book is going to show different houses. Do you see an orange square in this house? A little orange door? And square windows? There's the orange square on the bottom, and a yellow triangle on top for the roof. What color is your house? Next page. This house has a yellow square on the bottom and a little yellow door. And little black windows up here that are also squares, and a red or pink roof. What color is your roof? What color are your shingles on your house? There's lots of different colors. Next page. This is a longer house. It's purple. It's a longer square, sometimes called a rectangle. It's not as tall as the other ones. It has a door. It has a big square window. And it has a red roof. Next page. This is a tall apartment building. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 floors. Lots of windows that are squares. And a little door on the bottom. Well, it's actually probably a normal door, but this is a very big building that can fit lots of people in it. It's very, very tall. This is also a rectangle, a long square. Next page. Whoopsies. Skipped a page. Oh, there's one. Here's the next house. This house is different because it kind of looks like a birdhouse. It has a round window. Some houses do have round windows. At least one. My friend's house does. Does your house have any round windows? There's the door, and it's a greenhouse with a purple roof. Next page. What kind of house is this? There's the door. There's the window. And it's a house in a tree. See, there's the trunk of the tree. There's the leaves. And this house is sitting on the branches of the tree. Have you ever been in a tree house? Or have you ever seen a tree house? Somebody would have to climb up this tree to get into this tree house. Or maybe they'd have to put a ladder here so they could get up into the tree house. That's also a square with a circle window and a rectangle door. Okay, that's it for this video. We'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.